how to create buttons in Excel that let us navigate between different sheets, how to design them, and how to build everything from scratch. First, let's quickly prepare the dashboard background, remove the grid lines and the headings. Then insert a rounded rectangle, make it purple, and set the rest of the background cells to light purple. Next, insert a round same-side corner rectangle, rotate it 270 degrees, then use Align Right and give it a light purple color. Make a copy of it. This will be the main background, where we'll place all the charts and values. Now take the same round same-side corner rectangle, but this time drag the yellow adjustment handle all the way to the right until it becomes almost a half-circle shape. Rotate it 270 degrees and change its color. Now we'll take this shape into PowerPoint, because PowerPoint has a feature we need to use. Insert the shape, adjust it all the way, then insert a rectangle and place it over the first shape. Now go to Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. You'll see that the shape is divided, giving us exactly the shape we need. Make it white, then add the text boxes on top. Of course, the first one will be the main dashboard sheet we're currently on. Then, using rounded rectangles and a few other shapes, we'll create the final backgrounds for all the values and add the icons. To give the dashboard more of a school-style feel, we'll make the light purple shape use a gradient transparency. Why? Because we'll make the lower part transparent and place the child's image behind it. This way, the child's image appears softly in the background, not too visible and not completely hidden, giving the dashboard a clean and beautiful look. Finally, using a hyperlink on each text box, we can navigate between the different sheets just by clicking. And now we have a beautiful navigation menu in Excel. It's very simple, takes less than 5 minutes, and you can use it for years. Thank you, and visit other-lovers.com if you want this template and all our other templates. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and you can watch the full video on our YouTube channel.